The Shotokan Karate Dojo Kun is a set of 5 rules that govern behavior in the dojo and everyday life. It was written by Master Gichin Funakoshi, the founder of Shotokan Karate, in the early 20th century. The Dojo Kun is recited by students at the end of each training session as a reminder of their commitment to these principles. These principles are not just about karate, they are about life. They teach us to be kind, respectful, and disciplined. They also teach us to always strive to be the best version of ourselves. Seek perfection of character. This is the ultimate goal of karate. It means striving to be the best person you can be, both inside and out. Be faithful and protect the way of truth. This means being loyal to karate and to the values it teaches. It also means standing up for what is right, even when it is difficult. Endeavor to develop a spirit of effort. This means always giving your best effort, both in karate and in life. It means never giving up, even when things are tough. Respect others and the rules of etiquette. This means being polite and considerate of others, both inside and outside of the dojo. It also means following the rules of karate and the instructions of your instructor. Refrain from hot-blooded behavior. This means controlling your emotions and avoiding impulsive behavior. It means thinking before you act and always choosing the wise course of action. The Shotokan Karate Dojo Kun is a valuable guide for living a good and meaningful life. It teaches us important lessons about character, integrity, perseverance, and respect.